Hi and welcome to Service Dog Adolf. I'm Xion. This is Adolf, and I thought an introduction would be the best place to start with this YouTube channel. I've been putting off making it for a while, but finally I'm doing it. So I'll introduce Adolf. He's a German Shepherd Husky, and he's a psychiatric service dog. He's almost 11 months old, and he's my hero. He is trained to alert and respond to PTSD and other mental issues. He alerts to oncoming anxiety attacks and flashbacks. Sit. Come on, sit. Sit. He also interrupts skin picking and hair pulling and stuff like that. He's doing so great. He's been in training for almost 7 months, and he's a blessing. Now, I cannot wait until I just can't wait to share our journey. And I can't wait. I hope you guys really enjoy our journey. This will mostly be a training, like just putting tracking his progress, and maybe picking up some tips from you guys picking up some tips from us, and I'm here to have a great time, and I want to share that great time with you guys. It'll most likely probably just be like outings to certain places, and training. I can't really do meetups because there's no one around me to do meetups, but maybe that will change. So I can't wait, and this will be the beginning. And if you're excited and you'd like to keep up with our progress, subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.